Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Chlorine Test Strips. What is AquaChek Chlorine Test Strips? AquaChek's Yellow Test Strips allow pool and spa owners to test their chlorine-based sanitation systems for free chlorine, cyanuric acid, pH, and total alkalinity. Simply insert the test strip into the pool or spa water for 1 second, and several seconds later you have fast, accurate results. It is recommended that you test your pool a minimum of twice per week and spas before each use to get an accurate picture of the health of your system. Product benefits: quick and easy water testing, gives accurate results. Results appear in just 30 seconds. Test for free chlorine, pH, total alkalinity, and stabilizer. Usage directions: Step 1. Dip and remove strip. Step 2. Wait 15 seconds. Step 3. Compare pads to color chart on bottle. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.